Following the order of Subdivisional Magistrate Porongpat Imphal East, the Department of Revenue, Government of Manipur carried out an eviction drive against encroachers at Hengang Makalaikai under Imphal East District today. Houses and other structures constructed on caste lands or government land area were demolished in the eviction drive. Newly elected National Spokesperson cum Secretary of Northeast Region Organization of Rashtriya Samajik Samara Sata Sangathan RSSS Thokchom Sarachandra was feted during a function held today at his office, New Secretariat, Imphal. Sarachandra is also the coordinator of Manipur Social Welfare, Mahood and Cooperation Department. Members of All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee, Amukok, BJP, Khuntapa Mandal and others were present during the program. As part of the preventive measures taken by Home Department, Government of Manipur, a team of Porongpat Police led by Officer in Charge Binod Kumar held a COVID-19 sensitization drive at Ayangpalli Road crossing today. During the drive, COVID-19 violators were detained and fined. Manipuri Students Federation MSF locked a godown at Nilakoti and a wholesale shop located at Thangal Bazaar for not following price list fixed by the government. The drive was led by MSF Joint Secretary Tekcham Rojit. The students' body began the drive in April 23rd. Kairao JSC has withdrawn its citation after an agreement was reached with 16 Assam Rifles today over the April 25 incidents. Speaking to media at the residence of Muhammad Rajauddin, the victim of the incident, JSC convener Muhammad Fair Saha clarified that the incident took place owing to a miscommunication between both sides. Imphal Police Station today detained 22 people for violating COVID-appropriate behaviors from different places under the jurisdiction of Imphal Police Station. They were found in public places without wearing face masks. They are being produced before the Executive Magistrate for further necessary action. Singapore has sent a consignment of medical oxygen cylinders to support India's fight against the coronavirus disease COVID-19 pandemic, the country's Foreign Affairs Ministry said on Wednesday. According to media reports, the Second Minister for Foreign Affairs, Dr. Maliki Osman, flag off two of the Singapore Air Force's C-130 aircraft arriving in India with 256 oxygen cylinders, said Singapore's diplomatic mission in New Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. The Indian Air Force also deployed its C-17 aircrafts to bring 3 oxygen containers from Singapore to the Panagar Air Base, reports aided. THR critical supplies of medical oxygen of Singapore come amid the deadly more infection second wave of the coronavirus disease, which India is currently struggling. India has registered a record rise in deaths from COVID-19 over the last 24 hours, taking its total fatalities past the 2 lakh mark as India's to 3,293 deaths in the last 24 hours. India, a country of nearly 1.4 billion people, is the fourth to cross 2 lakh deaths due to COVID-19 infection, behind the United States, Brazil and Mexico. The overall Delhi COVID-19 cases rose by a record 3,60,960, pushing the total case load to 1,79,97,267 according to the Union Health Ministry. According to media reports, the top 5 states that have registered maximum cases in the past 24 hours are Maharashtra with 66,358 cases, followed by Uttar Pradesh with 32,921 cases, Kerala with 32,819 cases, Karnataka with 31,830 cases and Delhi with 24,149 cases. Of the 3.60 lakh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, 52.1% were reported from these 5 states, with Maharashtra alone aiding 18.38% of it. A massive earthquake measuring 6.2 Richter scale rocked Assam and other northeast states this morning. The epicenter of the quake was Dikyajuli in Sontipur district of Assam with latitude of 26.81 degree north and longitude at 92.42 degree east. Damages to property and cracks on buildings have been reported. However, there are no reports of loss of human life so far.